So during this lockdown also I'm going to tell you a trick like how to cook your food in less than 5 minutes. So have you heard about sambar and rice, rasam and rice, makki ki roti and sarson ka saag? Now let me tell you about one more dish which is very famous here, which is makki ki roti and Redu or Redu with plain rice. Let me show you how to do it. Once you have the oil, just put a little bit of oil and some onion and fry it for not more than 2 to 3 minutes. And dhania as per your taste. Now this is the main dish, which is curd. We'll put it and fry it for 2 minutes. And yes, don't forget the salt. Once you are done with everything, put the salt as per your choice and quantity.